I'm running late. When someone says they're running late, it means they are not on time and will be arriving late to a meeting or event. You can use this phrase to inform someone that you'll be late and to apologize for it. Tell her I'll call her back later. I'm running late again. I'll get back to you. This sentence means that you will provide an answer or information at a later time. You can use it when someone asks you a question or requests information, but you need more time to find the answer or make a decision. I'll get back to you later with those figures. Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day means to finish working or stop doing something for the day. It's often used at the end of a long day at work or after completing a task. It's getting late. Let's call it a day. Break a leg. Break a leg is an idiomatic expression used to wish someone good luck, especially before a performance. It may sound strange, but it's actually a positive and encouraging phrase. Just wanted to drop you a note to say break a leg in your performance. It's on the tip of my tongue. This phrase is used when you're trying to remember something, like a name or a word, but you just can't quite recall it. It suggests that the information is very close to being remembered. Her name is on the tip of my tongue. Better late than never. This phrase means that it's better to do something or arrive late than not to do it or show up at all. It's often used to encourage someone who's running late or when something takes longer than expected. He bought a house when he was over 60, but it was better late than never. It's a piece of cake. When someone says that something is a piece of cake, it means that it's very easy or simple to do. You can use this phrase to describe a task that you think is not difficult or to reassure someone that they can do it. Once I've done that, it's a piece of cake. To make a long story short, this phrase is used to summarize a long explanation or story in just a few words. It's often used when someone wants to skip unnecessary details and get to the main point. To make a long story short, he is a very talkative person. I'm on the fence. When someone says they're on the fence, it means they can't decide between two choices or they haven't made up their mind yet. You can use this phrase to express uncertainty or indecision. I'm on the fence about which job offer to accept. Both have their advantages and disadvantages. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This idiom means not to invest all your resources or efforts in one place, situation, or idea. It's a reminder to diversify your interests and not to rely on just one thing for success. Instead of investing all your money in one company's stocks, it's wiser to diversify your portfolio. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's it, everyone. Thanks for learning these 10 English phrases with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more language lessons.